Depression is a word we hear often enough. A quick search on Google will give you a list of the physical symptoms that one can experience if they are depressed. To be depressed, a person has to experience at least 4 of the symptoms of a major depressive episode for a period of 2 weeks. These symptoms include, but are not limited to, sudden changes in appetite, a change in sleep and activity patterns, sudden lack of energy, a loss of sexual interest, problems in decision making, and feelings of guilt and maybe recurrent thoughts of suicide. Apart from the physiological symptoms, depression can feel like an unbearable heaviness inside your gut. To be depressed is to be without light, without hope. It's like walking into a tunnel with no end in sight. What makes it worse is that you know that walking inside will only pull you further. But the pull of the despair is so strong that you are unable to stop yourself from going in. Psychodynamic therapy seeks to help those suffering from depression by initiating structural personality change rather than focusing only on symptom relief. The aim is to help resolve the underlying feelings of worthlessness and to facilitate the mourning and letting go of the lost loved object. The therapist helps the patient revisit and deal with painful childhood experiences while providing the care and holding that the patient missed out on in his life. The alliance between a therapist and patient is one of empathy, nurturance, and understanding. As patients gain insight into the workings of their inner world, they become more attuned to their true emotions and are better able to create strategies to cope with losses that they might face later in their lives. Psychodynamic therapy is therefore focused on long-lasting and in-depth intervention. Coming out of depression is hard, but it is not impossible. It is possible to find support, to find a small ray of hope inside the hopelessness. We need to remember that there is a way out of the black hole, because there can be no shadows without there being light. All we need to do is reach out.